In the field of data science, outliers are like whispers that can either reveal a hidden truth or completely distort your statistical analysis. An outlier is a data point that differs significantly from other observations, often caused by measurement errors or rare extreme events. Today, we will learn how to detect them using the Interquartile Range method, or IQR, a robust technique that doesn't rely on the mean or standard deviation. As always, our workflow begins in the Python environment. We import Pandas as PD and load our dataset, perhaps a list of real estate prices where a few mansions might skew our perception of the typical home. We select our target column, such as price, and prepare to segment the data. The IQR method is particularly useful because it is not affected by the very outliers we are trying to find. The first step is to find the quartiles. We calculate Q1, the 25th percentile, which marks the point where 25% of the data falls below. Then we find Q3, the 75th percentile. In Pandas, we use the dot quantile method with 0.25 and 0.75. The distance between these 2 points is the interquartile range, or IQR, representing the middle half of our data. Now we define the boundaries for what we consider normal data. We calculate the lower bound by subtracting 1.5 times the IQR from Q1. Similarly, the upper bound is found by adding 1.5 times the IQR to Q3. This 1.5 rule is the industry standard for defining the whiskers of a box plot and creates a safety zone for our observations. Any data point that falls outside these two fences is officially labeled an outlier. In our code, we use Boolean indexing to filter the data frame, identifying values that are either smaller than the lower bound or larger than the upper bound. Visualizing this on a number line, we can see the middle box holding the majority of the data, while the extreme points stand isolated in the distance. Once detected, you have a choice. You can remove the outliers to normalize your model or investigate them further, as they often contain the most interesting information in a study. Pandas makes this cleaning process seamless, allowing you to drop these rows with a single line of code, ensuring your machine learning models are trained on reliable, representative data. Mastering the IQR method is a fundamental skill for a data analyst. It provides a mathematical foundation for data cleansing and helps you ensure that your insights are driven by the many, not the few. By combining the power of Pandas with statistical rigor, you transform raw noise into high-quality data. References: McKinney, W., 2022, Python for Data Analysis, O'Reilly Media. Bruce P. and Bruce A., 2021, Practical Statistics for Data Scientists, O'Reilly. Friend J. E., 2013, Modern Elementary Statistics, Pearson.